Hi guys and good morning everyone. Working to the yard guy tayo guy today. We need to transfer this guy outside oh. I think this is fine. Oh bakit nandito sa yard dala yung dalawang gadget guy. Kasi manunood ako ng live ng ibang mga vlogger. This part we need to remove the grass right here guy. We plant my flower over here. And that the aircon guy oh, we install. I'm done clean up right here gayo. We plant over here sunflower and zinnia flower right here. Morning sun kasi dito. This is the sunflower guy, transfer outside. Hopefully this is grow up there. Hopefully. We throw the kalabasa seeds over here, guys, and then grow up. Look at the, we plant this also, grow. And my dragon fruit, oh my goodness, dragon fruit is not good. We try to plant the sunflower right here, guys. And trying to plant over here the squash. I don't know. Need to quarry. 12 o'clock now, guys. Usually weather so nice, not too much hot. Hopefully grow up this guy. I'm so happy if this grow up. So learn na planting over here. We try to plant those very small, oh. I don't know if that grow up. We need to come back this again, guys, to protect, so that's why the squirrel will not digging. As you can see, guys, you get this again and put right here, so that's why the squirrel will not digging my plant, because they always digging my plant, even the pot. Oh my goodness. Yun na, guys, Dana. I need to visit this in the morning. Let's see if the squirrel is not digging my plant. Yung nilagay ko ditong grass na galing dyan, guys, yung itinabon ko doon sa plant ko doon para i-digging ng squirrel. Dito ko siya tanim. Ito. We plant right here. This is Inya, guys. And then planting here, guys. This is Inya, guys. So we need to put back again, guys, right there. I have that one over here, the dead grass. So that's why the squirrel is not digging this, because they digging, always digging. If I'm doing my planting, they digging to my plant. Yan, guys, pa-protection na to the squirrel. Ito. That one, I think that's good na sila. Bigyan natin ng water ang ating tanim, guys. Okay, bye bye, guys, and see you to the next video, and God bless you all. Thank you so much sa mga viewer and the subscriber. Bye, guys. Bye bye. See you to the next video. God bless you all. Bye.